What it do, YouTube? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about stocks for beginners and how I managed to make $1,000. Hold up. Yes, that is correct. $1,000, over $1,000 in one day. This is not clickbait. So for this video, it's going to be a very beginner friendly video. We're just going to be talking on the surface, and with that said, I'm just a regular dude talking to a camera in my room right now. And yeah, I'm 20 years old. I'm a college student. I'm sure maybe you guys are in high school, college, about the same age as me, doing same thing, you know, going to the gym and just trying to improve yourself. Okay, so quick disclaimer, I've been investing since April of 2020, which was right around the stock market crash, I guess you could call it. So I was able to capitalize on the fear and panic going around, panic selling, and I was able to cop some good deals, guys. But I mean, that's just how the cookie crumbles. That's how the game works. You buy when others are fearful and you sell when others are greedy. Shout out to Warren Buffett. Which, guys, I gotta dust it off, but I do have a book back here. As you see, I never finished reading it. Not quite. Guess you could say that's like a quarter of the way there, but hey, I got the book, man. One day I'm pick it up and I'm finish it. But knowledge is power, guys. Educate yourself. Learn as much about the markets as you can. Paper trade. It could all start with a simple YouTube search and get educated and learn as much as you can before you start playing with real money, and especially large amounts of money. And by the way, guys, this video is sponsored by Webull, so link will be in the description. Go ahead if you haven't already. Webull is my app of preference. You just go the App Store, Play Store, download it, deposit $100 with my referral link, and we'll each receive a couple free stocks. Go ahead and check that down below if you're interested in getting started investing and making some money, guys. And a myth or misconception, a lot of people believe you need thousands and tens of thousands of dollars. It's actually, if you start with $100, that's perfectly fine, and I actually recommend that, so that way you can start getting your feet wet. And when it comes to the stock market, experience is key, guys, because you never know what's gonna happen. And in these last couple months that I've been investing, experience is very valuable, not just here but in any other field, guys. So go ahead and start building up that experience, so when you have a large pool of money to play with, you know exactly what you're doing with your funds. All right, guys, so how did I make $1,000 in a day? How? Okay, so first and foremost, no, I'm not a day trader. I didn't just get lucky. I'm not trying to sell you a program or any type of bullshit like that. I didn't buy an option or a put call, these high risk, high reward things. No, I played mine safe, and let's go ahead and get into how I did it. First things first, save, and then invest, and then repeat, guys. It's as simple as that. Save, then save again, save a little more, invest, repeat. So guys, as I said, this was not a crazy day trade or option trade, something where I had a little bit amount of money and I played a huge risk, a huge gamble, and I was able to make $1,000 in a day with like $100. No, this is not what happened. I have a pretty significant account with thousands and thousands of dollars, and I don't know if you look, let me go ahead and look. So what happened this day, my account was simply up 9.32%, so about 10%, and that's the reason for me being able to make $1,000 in a day. So if you do the math, you could get an idea of the amount that I have in my account. Keep in mind, I did not have this much. To current day, my portfolio in the last 6 months is up 50% or so. It fluctuates. I believe today it was up about 52%. So keep in mind, guys, the $1,000 that I made this day, the following day, I believe my overall portfolio was down like 5%. So on to the next point, buy when low, sell when high, guys. And this is a very simple concept, and I'm gonna break it down a little bit to help you guys understand. So basically, when you buy when a stock is low, there's nothing to lose really, because I mean, what could happen? All that could happen, what's most likely to happen due to the law of opposites, it's gonna go up because it's already down, you know. Maybe it falls a little bit more, but odds are that it's gonna go up. But when you buy when something's high and it's been going high, guys, what comes up must come down. And the stock market is not linear, guys. It doesn't even make sense. It's irrational. But one thing I do know, guys, is when every single thing is going right, all it takes is one little thing to go wrong, huge overreaction, and the next thing you know, you bought when it was high and everything was going right for that company, and then you start seeing a dip. On to the next and final key. Like I said, guys, this is a simpler video for beginners. So you want to buy established companies that for the most part can't go wrong. So like right now, if you have any foot in the stock market, I'm sure you've heard about Tesla, and I love Tesla. I bought into Tesla when it was 300 months ago. And you see now, guys, Tesla is crazy, going crazy. I made most of my gains, a good chunk of my gains, off of Tesla and another company, guys. But I don't know, I'm gonna have to make another video on that one. I can't be giving all my damn secrets in this video. Y'all gonna have to run that like button up if y'all wanna see it, guys. But yeah, guys, to make these substantial gains, like I said, you wanna find and look for a company that's shaking things up and is just changing the world and bringing about good, and something that you could incorporate in your life, a company that you believe in. Of course, you don't want to be investing in just bullshit random companies that someone told you to throw your money in, because that's not investing, guys. That's called gambling. Invest with a plan. Like I said, do your research, do your own due diligence, find companies and CEOs whose vision you believe in, and basically at the end of the day, you're buying into like 0.00000000001% of the company. So guys, buy something you believe in and that you would at the very least buy their product and recommend it to other people. All right, YouTube, that sums up the video. Stock market for beginners and how I was able to make $1,000 in one day. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like that like button, and don't forget, get your 2 stocks down below at Webull when you deposit $100 on the platform. And with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Peace.